welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of home decoration with peel and stick wallpaper. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking for a simple way to refresh your space, stick around because we've got all the tips and tricks you need to transform your walls. 1. Gather your materials. To get started, you'll need a few essential materials. Peel and stick wallpaper of your choice. Measuring tape. Scissors. A level. Squeegee. A utility knife. A clean, dry cloth. A pencil. 2. Prepare your wall. Begin by prepping your wall. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and smooth. If you have any existing wallpaper, remove it and patch any holes or imperfections. 3. Measure and cut. Measure the height of your wall and add a few extra inches to your wallpaper to accommodate any discrepancies in your wall's height. Cut your wallpaper into manageable strips. 4. Start applying. Remove the backing from your first strip of wallpaper and align it with your wall. Use a level to ensure it's straight, and then press it onto the wall. Work your way from top to bottom, using a squeegee to smooth out any air bubbles. 5. Overlapping and trimming. If you're working with a pattern, make sure to overlap the strips slightly to create a seamless look. Once the first strip is in place, use your utility knife to trim the excess wallpaper from the top and bottom. 6. Final touches. Once you've covered the entire wall, use your utility knife to carefully trim any excess wallpaper along the edges. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your space with peel and stick wallpaper. It's a fantastic and temporary way to update your home decor.